I first noticed a hearing loss, I think, seriously, about maybe 10, 15 years ago. I'd been in front of bands since I was 15. My wife and my kids started to say to me, you know, Dad, you can't hear us.
He started speaking less when we were having guests over, or if there were a lot of people in the same room. He started withdrawing a little bit.
I feel I'm missing out on just a naturalness, just a normalness of everyday life, because there are things that go by me that I would used to catch. If I have any fears about getting a hearing aid, it's that it won't work, that it won't fix what I wanted to fix. Wearing these hearing aids is really surprising. First of all, how small they are and how comfortable they are. I'm pretty sure that after a couple of hours or a day or two, I won't even realize I have them on. I don't know what they look like because I can't see them, but you know, they feel fine. You hear the stories over the years that they're uncomfortable and they're noisy and they make scratchy sounds or hissing sounds. I was really worried about like white noise in the background, but there's just none of that. They're very comfortable and they sound good. Having a hearing aid, it's in some ways more fun because I hear things that I didn't know I didn't hear. We were in the driveway yesterday and I heard the leaves rustling across the driveway, which I missed entirely, I think, before, and I keep going, what's that sound? I think there's a overall sense of awareness, a sense of maybe confidence is a better word, in that I don't have to say, excuse me, could you repeat that so many times? I think on the overall, it's just a boost of, okay, I'm sort of back in the world now.
Before I had to run up in front of him to catch his eyes and say, hey, I'm speaking to you. And now it's more natural. I just speak to him and he hears me. Of course, we're still in a process of learning. So I also find myself speaking more loudly. He's like, you don't have to yell. I said, oh, but I'm just speaking the way I used to speak to you. I am seriously surprised at how much I like them, because I'm naturally skeptical about things, and I know that as the years go on, it's going to be even more important to me because, you know, as we all know, you get older, your hearing doesn't get better. All of a sudden, it doesn't improve when I'm 75 or 80, and as time goes on, I'm going to be even more happy that I have these things. And I think that having them, you will feel differently about yourself, the way I do, and I think that you just go give it a try.